Next is electrical fuse. Fuse is a protective device used in series with an electrical circuit or an electrical appliances to save it from damage due to overheating when strong current passes through the electrical circuit. Means whenever there just fluctuation is a electrical voltage, sometimes high voltage, low voltage electric current comes, then it may be dangerous for the electrical appliances. So safety components which are used for safety. You know that if we don't handle the electricity or the appliances with great care, then it may be very dangerous. Sometimes we got burns, death even. So we have to use fuse, miniature circuit breakers, MCB, and the earthing for our safety. So fuse, what is fuse? It is a small piece of wire made up of material having suitable resistivity and low melting point. So as soon as the safe limit of current allowed to flow through the circuit without overheating, if it exceeds due to some fault, then excessive heat produced in fuse wire melts and current supplied to the electric circuit is just cut off, and then damage to electrical appliance is just prevented. You can see the types of fuses also. The most common, that is the Kit Kat. Don't remember the chocolate name. It is actually the basic common fuse used at home. It consists of a porcelain base containing a female contacts. Top portion contains the male contact and the fuse wire. This type of relationship we can say that HRC fuse, high rupturing capacity fuse. Here you can see in the diagram, that is the contact fuse wire. Again the contact, female base and the male cover. This is the Kit Kat HRC fuse and the glass fuse. Next, current rating of fuse, safe limit of current. For this, consider a wire of length L, radius R and resistivity ρ. Then let I the current flowing through the wire. Then rate at which heat is produced in the wire, that is equal to P is equal to I square upon R. If heat increases, then pressure of wire also increases. Due to radiation, heat is also lost to surrounding and decrease the temperature of the fuse wire. Temperature of fuse wire become constant when heat loss per second from the surface of wire is equal to rate at which heat produced in the wire. Next is the MCB. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. It is an automatic switch used to protect the household wiring from the overloading in the circuit. You can see the diagram also of MCB. Next is the earthing of appliances. You know that metallic body of appliances like air cooler, electric iron, refrigerator, oven, geyser. It should be connected to the earth wire. If phase wire touches the body of appliances, then it gives shock when person just touch. And if appliance is earthed, the current will pass to earth and user is protected from the electric shock. Symbol of earth you have to remember, just like this. So these are the just safety devices to prevent the individual life as well as the electrical appliances from damage, destruction.